Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to set up a company on your QuickBooks Online account and you want to manage it, all the company's analytics, data, revenue and losses, and also the sales, as an accountant you can go with this, and you have to set up an account with your company data. So first thing you have to do is go to the quickbooks.com, the official website, that quickbooks.institute.com, where you can scroll a little down here and you can find there is 4 premium plan available. So you can choose one and purchase one. So after purchasing and checkout with your credit card or debit card, you can do is the first step is the gather necessary information. So in preparation of creating a new company in QuickBooks, gathering all the pertinent information is advisable. This includes crucial business details such as the company name, address and contact information, collecting tax identification number, bank account details, and any relevant financial information such as opening balances and the chart of accounts is also not essential. By amassing all of these necessary details, you can ensure by efficient setup process for your new company in QuickBooks. Now step 2 is create a QuickBooks account. To begin using QuickBooks, it is essential first to create an account. This can quickly be done by visiting the official QuickBooks website and signing up for an account. During the registration process, you will have the opportunity to select the subscription plan that best fits the requirements of your business, whether you are a self-employed individual or a small business owner, or QuickBooks offer options tailored to your specific needs, as I have showed you earlier. Now from here you can find the step 3 option here, that is company setup process. After creating your QuickBooks account, setting up your company is the following step. QuickBooks will guide you through this process by providing prompts and instructions. So you have to follow all the instructions carefully and do it correctly so you won't get any type of hassle. So you will be asked to select your business type, specify your finance official year, and the confirm basic setups details also. Now step 4 is configure chart of accounts. So the chart of account is an essential feature in QuickBooks that allows you to categorize and organize your financial transactions. By categorizing the chart of accounts, you can align it with your business requirements by adding, modifying or deleting accounts. This customization ensures that your financial reports are accurate and provide valuable information. Now step 5 is enter your company details. That entering your business particulars into QuickBooks is important to effectively manage your company's finances. This includes essential information such as your company's address, contact details, and tax identification numbers. Now step 6 is set up users and permissions. So if you have employees, so you can also connect them, or if you have an accountant, you can also add them to your business analytics. To ensure the proper uses and security of QuickBooks by your employees or team members, it is essential to establish user account and assign appropriate permissions and roles. Doing so lets you control who can access and modify specific software features, thus safeguard your data's integrity and confidentiality. Now step 7 is connect your bank and financial account. So you can go to the bank transactions where you will be able to connect your bank. So you can simply click on connect account, where you can find different types of bank. Search for your bank. If there's the bank is acceptable by QuickBooks, you will be able to add your bank account with the bank account credentials like the routing number or any other security number for the IBAN number. For it's depend on the current location where you are living. So after adding your account details like your account number, your account holder name, and also the security code and other thing, once you have added it, you will find that your bank will be added and you can access all the transactions from your bank. That can be more helpful to get details about the expenses and also the revenue and all the transactions to track them out. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.